Hi, and welcome to the LB4FH India YouTube channel. I'm Morten, LB4FH India, and today I'm at Lima Alpha 1641 at Remmendalen, which is a nature preserve pretty much in the middle of town. And in the background is Joakim, LB4LI, and we're gonna activate here and see what happens. We're in a valley though, so it's going to be exciting to see if that works to our advantage or perhaps not to our advantage. So we'll do as usual, we'll do some CQs and I'll show you some scenery around while we do that. Equipment wise today, we got the LB6CI and fed half wave on a 10 meter DX commander pole, running up and over in, I don't know if you can see that, but over in inverted L config. So hopefully that'll work well for us. It's sloping a little bit to the northwest, so maybe we'll get some DX from North America. CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air, CQ parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 1641. Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ parks on the air with side operator. Sierra Papa 8 Quebec Charlie, good morning or good afternoon, Andy. You are 5-9 here in southern Norway, Andy, over. Thank you. Please stand by for a side operator, Andy. Please stand by for side operator. One moment.
Yeah, hello, Sierra Papa 8 Quebec Charlie. This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India Portable. Lima Bravo 4 Lima India Portable. QSL.
No.
Echo Alpha 1 Alpha Foxtrot.
Echo Alpha 1 Foxtrot.
Echo Alpha 1 Foxtrot Alpha.
Alpha Foxtrot.
Alpha Foxtrot, sorry. This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India Portable. You're 519 into southern Norway. I have a side operator with me, Morten, standing by if you also want to get two calls at one there. Echo Alpha 1 Foxtrot Alpha, this is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India.
Alpha Foxtrot.
Okay, very good morning, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. This is Echo Alpha 1 Alpha Foxtrot. And then here is David. Nice to hear you, Morten. You are 5757 into Spain, QSL.
Yeah, 57 is QSL. I have this is Joakim, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. I have Morten by my side, so if you QRX a little bit, you'll get Morten on the radio here. QRX.
Okay, QSL, Joakim, no correct now, okay? You have two operators there. QSL, thank you very much for the new park, Joakim, and have a very good activation there. 728.
Echo Alpha 1 Alpha Foxtrot, this is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. You're 5-9 here at Park Lima Alpha 1641 QSL.
Hey, QSL, Morten, Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India.
73 QRZ parks on the air. This is two operators activating same park. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India calling CQ parks on the air. Sugar Papa stroke Kilo 4 Oscar Golf Oscar. I was waiting for you there, Walt. Thank you for getting back to my call. You're a strong 5-9 here today, Walt. Over.
QSL, you're 5-8 into the north of Poland, and thanks for activating. I'll let you get going here. Thanks for the activation, thanks for the contact. 73, my friend.
73 Walt, and please stand by for side operator here.
This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. Sierra Papa / K4OGO CQ.
QSL, thanks for the second operator there. I'll get you in the log as well, and thanks for activating. 73.
73, thanks for the call. QRX, QRZ.
2 Echo 0, Echo Sierra Yankee.
What are you doing?
2 Echo 0 Echo Sierra Yankee.
En gång till.
2 Echo 0 Echo Sierra Yankee.
2 Echo 0, Echo Sierra Yankee.
Yeah, 2 Echo 0 Echo Sierra Yankee. This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. You have to get the report there in the next round because I wasn't paying attention while writing your call sign down there. But you're reading nice into southern Norway. This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India with the side operator QSL. Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 5. You're 5 and 7, 5 and 7 into southern Norway there. Thanks for helping to activate, and stand by a little bit and you'll get Morten, my side operator here, QRX.
Yeah, okay, QSL, I'll listen to Morten.
2 Echo 0, Echo Sierra Yankee, this is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. Good morning there, Mike. You are 5 and 7, 57 here today, over. Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with side operator calling CQ Parks on the air. Park to park, park to park. Please come again.
Park to park, this is Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
LB4 Foxtrot Hotel. God dag, Kjetil. God dag. 5 og 3 er vel her sånn omtrent over?
Ja, QSL, du er 5 og 8 til 5-9 her hos meg i Lima Alfa 2526.
Ja, god morgen Kjetil, nå er en som tuner oppå der, så jeg håper du hører meg, men LB4LI her i hvert fall, Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. Du er 5 og 8 der, Kjetil. Hyggelig å høre deg der, QSL.
Lima Bravo 4 Lima India, det var veldig hyggelig, Joakim. 5-8 i Lima Alfa 2526, over?
Ja, det er QSL, både 5-8 og parknummeret der. Du får ha lykke til videre på aktivering, Kjetil, og ikke slitt deg ut der sånn, QSL.
CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox Virginia calling CQ Parks on the air for Park Lima Alpha 1641. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox Virginia calling CQ Parks on the air. Lima Bravo 0 Fox Virginia with side operator calling CQ Parks on the air.
Park to park, park to park, park to park.
Park to park, park to park. Please come again.
Park to park. This is Lima Bravo 4 Foxtrot Hotel.
LB4 Foxtrot Hotel. God dag, Kjetil. God dag. Ja, 5 og 3 er vel her sånn omtrent over.
QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India with side operator. Charlie United 3, come again, please.
Roger, Morten. Charlie United 3 Hotel 3, go Yankee. 5-9.
Only Charlie United 3, only Charlie United 3. Charlie United 3, please come again.
Roger. Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee. Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee. You're about 5 and 3, QSL.
QSL, an Italian station, please stand by. Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee. Thank you for the 5 and 3. You are 5 and 9, 59 here in Norway, and please stand by for side operator, Mike.
Roger.
Charlie United 3 Hotel Yankee, this is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. Thank you for the call. You're 5 and 9 into Norway there, QSL.
QSL Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. You're 5 and 3 as well, 73.
73, thank you. CQ Parks on the air, CQ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India, activating Lima Alpha 1641. CQ Parks on the air.
Golf 0 Robert back Lima.
En gång till, Golf 0.
Golf 0 RQL.
Papa Echo 2 Golf Hotel.
Golf 0 call, Golf 0 call, come again.
Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima.
Yeah, Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. You're about 5 and 7 into southern Norway here, QSL.
Yeah, QSL, really good day to you there. Thanks for coming back on the 5 and 7. You're 5 and 5, 55 to me. That's not so good today to Norway there, but I believe you have a second operator. The name here is Don, Delta Oscar November. 5 and 5 your report, and thank you for the 5 and 7, Roger?
Yeah, thank you for the 5 and 5. And QRX a little bit, and you'll get Morten by my side here, QRX.
Papa Echo 2 Golf Hotel.
Golf 0 Romeo Quebec Lima. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India. Good morning or good afternoon, Don. 5 and 7 here today, Don. Over.
Roger there. Good afternoon to you there. 5 and 5, 55 your report there. Thanks for the two operators there and good to work your post. Thank you for the park and have a good weekend, Roger.
Roger, Don, and thank you for hunting. 7-3 QRZ Parks on the air. This is Lima Bravo 0 Foxtrot India with side operator. Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilowatt. This is Lima Bravo 4 Lima India. You're 5 and 7 into Norway QSL.
QSL 5 and 7. I have you 5 and 2. 52 in Nova Scotia this morning, over.
Wow, thank you for the 52 from Nova Scotia. Just one moment and we're activating two operators here and you'll get my side man here, QRX.
Roger.
Victor Echo 1 Sierra Kilo. This is Lima Bravo 0 Fox India. 5 and 7 today, Stephen. Over.
QSL, you're 5 and 2, 52.
Thank you for the 5 and 2. We're deep down into a deep valley here with steep sides, so I'm amazed that we reached Nova Scotia. Thank you. 7-3. So, somewhat of a rough activation today. Got 22 in the log, I think. We were in the middle of a relatively deep valley here, although in what could be considered an urban area, we're in a deep valley within here, and not much chance of any DX. But even then, we managed to get both the Azores and Nova Scotia in Canada, so a good activation all in all. Thank you all the hunters again, and if you like this video or any of my other videos, please do consider liking, subscribing and commenting. And I'm also on Patreon, link down below if you want to support the channel. So thank you again for watching. Until next time, 7-3.